So today I will show you how to make PDF of your notes or exam copy or something else. Okay. So here you can see I have three photos of my notes. So this is the first page, second page, and the third page, right? And this one I think is not representable, right? So in the center you can see the copy. In the outside you can see the bed sheets and other things, right? So what we need to do, we need to crop in a better way and to clean the things in better way such that it will be representable just like as a note copy, right? So now what we need to do, we need to open the Play Store or maybe the App Store for Apple, and then you need to write down the Adobe Scan. You can use other app also, but in general I use the Adobe Scan. So for the Adobe Scan, what you do, just open this one. Okay. So here you can directly choose from the left side button, the photo button, or just press on the home. Okay, so this is the front page of the Adobe Scanner. Okay, so here I use the iPad. Maybe you can use your iPhone or you can use your Android phone also. Now just press the image button. Now you need to select the pages by order. Okay, like you can see here, if I choose the first page, page 1, page 2, page 3, we can choose like this. Okay, otherwise suppose if you choose in a different manner like this, then the order of the PDF pages will be like this. Okay, 1 2 3. Then what we need to do, we need to reorder that one in the latter process. So just to minimize your work, what you need to do, we need to choose such that this will be page 1, page 2, page 3. You will know, right? Then which one is your first page, second page, third page. Okay. So then just press the done button. So it will automatically crop first. Okay. But what we need to do, we need to check that all the crops are okay or not. So check by the click on the crop. You can see, I think the crops are pretty good, but we can delete the black area, right? This area. Okay. I think it's better. Now go to the next page. Here also if I do the same thing, you need to be very careful. Written area should not be cut. Okay. Now this is also okay. Now go to the next page. I think this is also okay. Okay. Now go to the rotate. I think don't need to do the rotate as this one already in the portrait. Okay. No, I don't need to do in landscape. Okay. Now what we need to do? We need to go to the filter. This is the most important for your scanning. Okay. So what we need to do? We need to choose the color. In general, what I do, I always choose the auto color. You can see it will be create the page completely white background, right? The last one is something like muddy color, but this one is completely white. Or what you have to choose, you can choose the whiteboard directly. Okay, this one we automatically change the color of the page and it will become the white. Okay, now the most important thing is the resize the page. As when you take the photo at that time, maybe that size is not the A4 size. Okay, in the photo size. So what we need to do, we need to choose the page size. Here you can see we have the A4 portrait, A4 landscape, A3 portrait, many size, right? But in general, we need to choose the A4 portrait. Okay. When we choose the A4 portrait, you can see that if the photo is smaller one, then what will it do? It will just create the actual size of the A4, right? Now just do this one, okay, and just click on the done. Now you can see that the left side area there is some black, right? So what we need to do, we need to clean up this area. Okay. So now just click on the cleanup. When you click on the cleanup, you can see that the unnecessary areas you need to clean, right? So what I need to do, I will fill with the selected color or fill the surroundings. What I do, I fill the selected color. I can choose the color white one. Okay. Now just wipe it. And I don't need this kind of thing, right? So just wipe this area. Just grab with the two finger. Here also you can see we need to clean. You can reduce the brush size also. So I think it will take some time, 4 or 5 minutes to do this one, but it will looks pretty good. Okay, so here also some area. Okay, the page 3 is done. Then the page 2. For the page 2 also, what I need to do, I need to use a filter later. Later I will do. First I will change the filter first. For the page 1, just go to the filter and choose the whiteboard. Okay. Page 2 also the same. Just choose the filter and choose the whiteboard. Okay. So you can see here the page 3, I already cleaned up, right? It looks better. But for the page 2, it's not yet completed, right? So we need to do the same thing for the page 1 and the page 2. So go to the cleanup and just clean these areas, like these areas. Sorry, I had to choose with the white color exactly. You can remove the date, subject, and the top area. Now I think this looks representable. Now go to the next page. This page also you can see this area. You can remove. Maybe you can remove this whole area. Okay, and also above the page, the top of the page, this one also need to remove. This kind of things removed. And the right side you can see the spring one. Just be careful about this one, but clean it carefully. Now you can see all of the 3 pages is very much cleaned, right? Now just press done. So just check once again. Oh no, this one we need to clean up again, as in the left hand side there is some issue. Okay, now I think page 1 looks good, page 2 okay, page 3 is also okay. In page 1 you can clean little bit more in the right hand side, this area. I think now it looks much better. Okay, so you can see here the page 1, 2 and 3 is completed. Here I already told you in the beginning, we can also reorder the page. You can see the reorder the page. So here if I just grab this one, we can move the page. Like if I need to be, this is a page 2, then I just grab like this. But as we already order it in the beginning, so this is completely fine. But in general, for the exam paper, please do it correctly. And then just rename it like the PDF copy of exam paper. Rename it, okay, and save it. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to check send this one by the share button. Okay, share button, share a copy, or you can save it as a JPG. Why I save this one? Just to show you the difference. Now if I go to this page, you can see this is the before we do the Adobe scan, right? This is the third page, and here is the updated one. So you can clearly understand the difference and how I did this one. Okay, so make sure whenever you upload your copy or upload your papers for any online system, please do this one. You can use any kind of scanner, a good scanner, that will be okay. And also you can see this Adobe scanner is free, so it's not a problem. Okay, please do it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for your time. Please do share this concept with your friends. And if you like this video, please press the like button. It is really means a lot for me. Bye bye.